BioAlps is the life science cluster of Western Switzerland. We are an association financed by the Western Canton and academic institutions dedicated to empowering the beautiful region of the Swiss Health Valley. We communicate, we promote, and most importantly, we connect people. People are at the heart of everything that we do. That's why we want to act as a bridge. And talking about the MedTech Congress, this is a real pleasure for us to be here. This is the second time for me personally. And I believe the event is really something that is aligned with our mission, because this is a great way and a great place to explore everything the region has to offer in the MedTech sector. That's why we are very happy to be here and be able to foster synergies with key stakeholders, whether it is from the academia, the industry, or the government.